In a world flooded with trackers, data leaks, and inboxes full of ads, one email service dares to say privacy first. Welcome to your complete guide to Tutanota, the encrypted email service that's changing the way we communicate online. If you've been searching for a secure email provider that's actually built for privacy, not profit, you're in the right place. Whether you're brand new to Tutanota or just looking to unlock its hidden features, stick around. We're about to walk you through everything from setup to advanced tools, all in one simple guide. Let's get started. 1. Setting up your Tutanota account. Head to tuta.com, that's Tuta, by the way, short for Tutanota, and hit that sign up button. You'll have two options, a free plan for casual users or a premium plan with more storage, custom domains, and pro features. Pro tip, if you run a business or want your own domain like youatyourbrand.com, go premium. It's worth it. Next up, choosing your email address and creating a strong password, the backbone of your privacy. Make it long, unique, and include a mix of characters. This password encrypts your entire inbox. After that, you'll get a recovery code. Don't skip this. Write it down and store it somewhere safe. If you ever forget your password, it's your only way back in. Then turn on two-factor authentication, 2FA. You'll need a second device, like your phone, to log in securely. This is essential for keeping intruders out. 2. Understanding Tutanota's encryption power. Here's where Tutanota really shines. Unlike most email providers, Tutanota encrypts everything by default, not just emails, but also your subject lines, attachments, and metadata. Emailing another Tutanota user? Your messages are automatically encrypted from start to finish. No settings, no plugins, no stress. But what about friends who don't use Tutanota? Easy. You just set a password for the message. The recipient gets a secure link, enters the password, and voila, a fully encrypted chat window. Bonus, they can reply within that secure space and their response is encrypted too. It's privacy without friction. Want even more control? You can. Set expiration dates for emails. Send password-protected messages. Delete messages automatically after a certain time. It's like self-destructing email, and yes, it's as cool as it sounds. 3. Encrypted calendar, privacy meets productivity. Tutanota doesn't stop at email. Your calendar is encrypted too. Every event you create, appointments, reminders, meetings, is locked away behind your password. Not even Tutanota's servers can read it. Think about that. Your doctor appointments, business meetings, even birthdays, all completely private. You can invite others to events securely, share calendar links, and even protect those links with passwords. Privacy isn't just preserved, it's built in. 4. Building your encrypted address book. Next up, your contacts. Tutanota encrypts those too. You can import contacts from other email services. Manually add names, numbers, and notes. Organize them into encrypted groups for family, work, or clients. Every contact stays encrypted on Tutanota servers. No plain text. No tracking. Just total control over your network. 5. Power features for advanced users. Feeling confident? Let's kick things up a notch. Premium users unlock extra storage, custom domains, multi-user support, shared mailboxes, great for teams. Tutanota also has sleek apps for iOS, Android, Windows, macOS, and Linux. And yes, every single app comes with full encryption, just like the web version. But don't expect IMAP or POP3 access here. That's by design. Tutanota's encryption model doesn't allow third-party email clients. It's a trade-off for privacy and one worth making. Instead, Tutanota gives you robust web and desktop clients that integrate smoothly into your work.
Now, if you're ready to strengthen your cybersecurity skills and protect yourself online, I have a free resource for you. Download our free security checklist at tealeris.com. It's packed with simple, actionable steps to help you stay safe and build your knowledge. Want more personalized help? You can request a free consultation with our cybersecurity experts. Or if you're curious how Tealeris works in real time, request for a demo to see how Tealeris AI agents work.
So let's recap. You've learned how to set up your secure Tutanota account, encrypt emails even to non-users, protect your calendar and contacts, use advanced privacy features like expiring messages and secure sharing, optimize your experience across devices. You're now ready to take control of your digital life with true end-to-end encryption every step of the way. So what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button for more privacy-first tech tutorials. Like if you found this helpful, and drop your questions in the comments, we always reply. Stay safe, stay private, And we'll see you in the next one.